What's up, Yon World? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we're going over P3D. It's been a couple of days since, the whole flood of clones just came out, and today we finally seen all of the clones died. Shout out to Adam Ho. I was watching one of his videos today. I think it was RP to all the clones, and he pointed out how all of the clones, like the clones that were just popping up, like Proof of Trevon James, Proof of Craig Grant coin. It's another one on here called Yunk or Unk coin. But basically all these clones, they have the same Ethereum donate. Like, let me just show you what I'm referring to. So when you go to these clone websites, it's all like a template. I don't think Pooh didn't have that template, but Pooh changed some things that they changed their masternode settings, which caused a lot of people to pull out. If you look at Pooh, it's 27 ETH in the last 24 hours. Proof of Craig Grant coin 3 ETH the last 24 hours. Proof of Trevon James coin 4 ETH the last. So I saw it on the Proof of Craig Grant coin. Let me show you what I'm talking about. But yeah, once again, shout out to Adam Ho. He pointed this out. But like all of these are templates. I'm guessing you can buy this template somewhere. If you research it, I guess you'll be able to buy this template. It reminds me like the lending platform days when like right after Bitcoin, you were just able to buy templates, and even before that, you were just certain developers and coders, they were making templates to start an ICO. ICO templates, you can look that up. So but this donate project button, the C8C at the bottom of that ETH contract is the same as on a couple of these clone websites. So we're noticing Proof of Weak Hands improving over the last 15 minutes. Close to 100 ETH have been deposited into the contract. Right now, the current buy price is $8.60. Current sale price is back above, $7. So Proof of Weak Hands is going to the top, and it's going to remain at the top. And it's nothing that's going to come in this way as far as a clone. So everybody that made profits are probably out of the space or back in Proof of Weak Hands, and that's just what's going to happen. Proof of Weak Hands is going to be the most consistent. So that's my video for today. I don't want to get too wrapped up, but Proof of Weak Hands is improving its position. So leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you want to join Proof of Weak Hands, I'll have links in the description. Let's go back to the DAP radar real quick. Proof of Weak Hands sitting at number 3. 24-hour balance, 169 ETH. So daily users, you know what I'm saying? We still at the top. So I'm glad I didn't have weak hands and just hop in that, and you really lose money, because getting in and getting out. But I'm just glad I stayed solid. So leave a like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy Yon World. I'm out. Peace.